Time, sun, and water exposure can quickly take the shine away from rub rails and exterior trim, making even a well-maintained boat, car, or trailer look tired and aged. This rub rail restorer is designed to bring those surfaces back to life fast, restoring deep color and a clean, renewed appearance without complicated steps or heavy labor. From the first application, dull and weathered surfaces instantly look richer, smoother, and far more presentable. The formula works by rejuvenating faded rub rails while helping conceal scuff marks caused by docking, trailering, or everyday use. Advanced PTEF polymers bond directly to the treated surface, creating a protective barrier that helps repel stains, resist dirt buildup, and defend against damaging UV rays. This protection is essential for maintaining appearance in harsh outdoor environments where sun exposure and moisture are constant threats. One of the biggest advantages is how quickly results appear. In just seconds, treated surfaces regain a long-lasting shine and renewed beauty that holds up well to routine cleaning. Once properly prepped, application is smooth and even, making it easy to maintain results with simple reapplication during the season. It is formulated to keep both black and colored rub rails looking consistently good without leaving a greasy or uneven finish. Beyond rub rails, this restorer is highly versatile. It works effectively on a wide range of rubber and plastic surfaces, including exterior trim, car tires, and trailer tires. This makes it a practical all-in-one solution for refreshing multiple areas with one product, helping protect your investment and maintain a clean, cared-for appearance. Developed by Star Bright, a trusted name in surface care solutions, this rub rail restorer combines proven protection with easy application. If you want to extend the life and appearance of your rub rails and trim while keeping them looking great season after season, check the product link in the video description to learn more and make your purchase. Subscribe to the channel to discover more reliable products that help protect, restore, and maintain your equipment with confidence.